Hey guys, welcome to ChrisHansenBbq. Today we're going to be doing a delicious, easy meal on the grill. We're doing steak fajitas. We're going to do start to finish on the grill. Hey guys, so before we get into this cook, we're going to be looking at this product. This is from Geekhom. This is a heat-resistant glove. This has a nice silicone textured outside, non-slip. Then it has a second layer, which is your heat-resistant. Your heat-resistant layer, then it goes into a nice cotton layer on the inside. Gives you some nice comfort. It comes pretty far up your arm. It's about almost halfway up my forearm here, which is really cool. Anyway, the machine washable. They come with a 1-year warranty, and they got really good reviews on Amazon. So we're going to be checking them out, and then we're going to put them to the test today and see what they're like. Alright, so what I like to use for steak fajitas is skirt steak. Skirt steak is perfect meat for it because it comes out super tender with all that fat in it. It's really, really good. However, before you use it, you're going to want to just clean it up a little bit. Try to get some of this extra fat. You can see this silver skin right here. You want to get that off because all it's going to do is just make it chewy. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to clean this up a little bit. Try to get this clean as much as possible. Take off these little extra pockets of fat right here. As you can see, I'm going to take these off because we don't need it. It has enough nice marbling in it. Nice fat content that we are good to go. So I'm going to clean these up. Guys, so I just finished trimming them up. As you can see, I took a lot off. You can see this nice little pile over here. There's a lot of stuff I took off. But I cleaned it up. I'm very happy with how it turned out. I'm not really going to dig in to get this other fat out. But you can see the little pockets here, and that's okay. That's all right. I have a 1/4 cup of some cilantro, fresh cilantro. That is awesome. Over here, I made a little spice bowl going on. And what do we got? We got a teaspoon of cumin, a teaspoon of chili powder, a 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now, salt to taste. Me, I'm trying to watch my salt intake. But anyway, so I'm just going to add that in. All right. Now, I'm going to go with 1/3 cup of some lime juice. And we're going to go with a splash of some pineapple juice. That's probably about 2 ounces, I'm guessing. All right. We're going to go with 1 teaspoon of garlic. I'm using some chopped garlic. There we go. I'm going to do a little splash of some olive oil. Just a little. Probably about a teaspoon, 1/2 teaspoon. Alright. We're going to get some Worcestershire sauce. I just put a couple dashes in there. That's it. Alright. Now at this time, all we're going to do is just going to mix it up nicely. This is going to be our marinade. So at this time, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the meat, and put it in a nice Ziploc bag, and put this beautiful marinade all over it. I'm just going to let it chill out in the fridge. I'm going to be cooking this about 3, maybe 4 hours from now. So this is just going to be hanging out in the fridge, marinating, getting that good flavor. All right, so when you make fajitas, it's all about prep. There's a lot of prep. So right here, we're using a red and green bell pepper, and I got 2 yellow onions over here. All right, for the steak, we're gonna dump this right in the middle. There we go. I just sprayed the grill grate, so I got a little smoke coming up. Nothing to worry about. There's the ladies on top. They're only gonna take about 2 minutes. Did about 2 minutes aside. These are definitely good. slap them up here on the plate. We're gonna get ready for part 2. That's gonna be our veggies. Alright, I'm just throwing the pan in here for now. I'm gonna let it get hot. Then we're gonna throw our veggies. Oil in the pan. I'm using straight vegetable oil. Make sure we get it nice and coated. Let's throw our veggies in. Shake. These gloves are working good so far. Close it up. I'm gonna let that go for a little while. These peppers and onions are looking good. It's time to take them in. There's a certain way you gotta cut this skirt. If you don't know, I'm about to show you. Cut it right down the middle. You got your pieces. Now you want to cut against the grain goes this way. Oh. That's how we're cutting it. Beautiful. Beautiful. Look at the steak here. Very good. It's like a good medium. The steak is delicious, super fast to cook. Comes out so tender. Let me tell you something. That marinade, that's a straight home run right there. Because I'm tasting this right now. It's like a flavor explosion. So I'm just going to get the rest of this cut up. Alright guys, so here we are. We got our fajita with our peppers and onions. Beautiful. We got some homemade guac. We got some sour cream. And we got a little salsa. I wish I had time to do a nice pico de gallo, but I didn't. Anyway, guacamole, sorry I couldn't show it to you. You want to see a good recipe? Go to SJ Cooks. He just did a great guacamole recipe. Check him out. Great guy. Also, these gloves from Geekhom. They definitely work. They're cool. They're for a fair price on Amazon. If you want to check that out, I'm going to leave a link down below. Anyway, guys, this is a easy cook. It's just prep. That's all it is, prep. But you guys enjoy and have a good day.